Oh, hi guys, it's Kate and we are the channel Let's Cook It. Today we start cooking gluten-free apple pie. Let's go! We need the next ingredients. They are rice flour, 250 grams sugar, 15 grams powdered sugar, oil, 50 grams, salt, apple vinegar, 3 or 4 apples, and 70 or 100 milliliters of water, and cinnamon. First, we will add sugar to our rice. We mix it. After that, we add salt and oil. And after that we add water. Our dough is ready, and now we take off it to the refrigerator before we prepare our apples. Now we prepare the mixture, which don't take our apple stay darkness. We take 1 liter of water and add 2 tablespoons of apple vinegar. Mix all this mixture and start cutting our apples. We delete the middle of the apple. All our apple we mix, and let's start work with our dough. Roll the dough. If your dough crumbles into crumbs, you can use your finger. The dough is very flexible and you can quickly do this. And tamp down dough on the sides, like this, in different form which you want. Okay, let's take our cake into the oven. The temperature will be 180 degrees above zero. For 5 minutes for finishing, we add sugar and cinnamon. and take into the oven again. Okay, and now we add powdered sugar. So let's test our dish. So crispy. Look at this. So thank you for watching. Put likes, subscribe, and goodbye!